how you can change it and make this problem go away. So the first thing you want to do is open up your run dialog box on your PC. So just right here, you can press on this Windows or press Windows plus R command and your run dialog box will pop up. So here what you need to do is you need to search for services.msc and click on OK. And this will open up all of the services available on your laptop. So what you need to do is scroll down until you find Rockstar Games Services. So right here, as you can see, Rockstar Game Library. And if you double click on it, it will by default be selected on your disabled option. So once you open your properties, it should look something like this. And from here, as you can see, the start button is grayed out right now. What you need to do is click on this drop down and select automatic and then click on apply. So what this will do is it will allow us to start the service and just click on start. And after this, you can click on OK and close this entire dialog box. Now again, you need to go to your Windows and search for system configuration right here. Just click on it and it will open up your system configuration here. So what you need to do here is go to services, and here you will find all of the services in your PC. To make it easier for you to find your Rockstar services, just click on this hide all Microsoft services. Now you can easily find it at the bottom. So here what you need to do is by default it won't be selected. You just need to select it and click on OK. And this prompt will pop up saying that you need to restart your computer to apply these changes, but you can exit without restart for now. And once you do that, you just click on this Rockstar Game Launcher to try to open it. And after doing this, there should not be any problem with, to open this Rockstar Game Services. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.